words with vowel combinations. Children, today we are going to play a game of words. In this game, I will tell you two vowels. You have to tell me such words in which these two vowels appear together. For example, the vowels A and I form the vowel combination AI in the word rain. In the same way, I will tell you different vowel combinations. You must recollect the words that contain these combinations. Let's get started. Yes, teacher. The first vowel combination is AI. Teacher, I will tell the words paint, sail, main, wait, train. Very nice. Now the next vowel combination is EA. Teacher, the words containing this vowel combination are bread, see, leaf, speak, clean, and teacher. Very well. Now I will show you some pictures. I want you to identify the picture and tell the vowel combination present in its name. Who is ready? Teacher, I am. The pictures are of pie, tie, friend, flies, and cried. The vowel combination IE is used to spell these words. Well done. Now look at the following pictures and identify the vowel combinations. Teacher, these are pictures of boat, soap, road, toast. Teacher, the vowel combination OA has been used to spell the names of the pictures in this row. The pictures in the following row are those of mouse, cloud, house, mouth. The vowel combination OU has been used to spell the names of the pictures in the second row. Excellent. Now look at the following pictures. Teacher, the first row has pictures of fruit, juice, suit, cruise, and they have the UI vowels together. In the next row, there are pictures of tissue, statue, argue, and blue. And in this, the vowels UE have been used together. Very good. Now tell me some words that contain EE and OO vowel combinations. Vaibhav, will you answer? Teacher, words containing EE are tree, sweet, queen, three, and knee. And the words that contain OO are book, moon, spoon, broom, wood. Children, you have all found and told words correctly. Now try to search for new words and write them in your notebook. Yes, teacher.